Hi friends, my name is Aisha Sharifa. I am a rainbow, I am a colorful arc in the sky. I have 7 colors. My colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Often I appear opposite to sun in rainy days. Everyone likes me very much. If Jory is my other name, I will sing a song for you. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Sunshine and rain, that is why. Red and orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo, violet, and is that really true? Sometimes half and sometimes full, but rainbow is very beautiful. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Sunshine and rain, that is why. Thank you.